welcome back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design your letterhead paper using your Canva. So I'll just like when you go to your Canva, you'll see customize. Right, click on customize size. So over to my customize. So here I'll put in this is my A4 size 2480 by 3508. Alright, so I'll click on create design. So I'm going to wait for it to load out. So you need to know that Canva uses internet to access information. So since you are using it, since it's accessing the internet, so your data is going to be needed. So it's currently loading. You can see it's already loaded our page. So it's going to show us some templates that we can make use of, but we don't need any templates, right? We don't need any templates. So we just go over to Canva. So this is our Canva environment, right? So the first thing we want to do now is to go over to our element. Click on element to go to our element. Now when you go to elements, you will see some tools you have used before. So I'll use this first one, which is this rectangular tool. In case you don't have it, you can just type for it, right? So you can search for any tools that you want to use. So I can come here, change color. So just pick this color. Okay. So I'll just come here and duplicate it. Don't forget we are designing letterheaded paper. So I'll come here and duplicate it. Now you must have your design by heart before you start designing. So I'll come here and duplicate this also. Break this one here. Okay, now I'm going to change this color to red. Change this color to red. So I'll come to position, bring to front, so I can come forward. All right. So this one up a little. Alright, so we are done. So now I'm going to just go ahead and go to my camera roll. I want to add my logo. So I'll click on add logo. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this because I'm going to be using the duplicate. So this one is the normal logo. I'll just bring this one here. So now I'm going to type a test. So I'm going to type finish the clear. Right. I'll go ahead and duplicate that. Morals innovation. Right, so this is what I want to write. So I have to come here and increase this one a little, bring it here. All right, then I'm going to reduce the font size. Right. So I'll bring this one here. Now I'm going to go ahead and bold in this energy tech media, then I'll bold in this one also, make it bold. Right. So you can see, so I'm going to go ahead and just put this one out a little. Right, then drag this logo upward, drag the energy tech media upward. All right, so we are done with that. Then I'm going to duplicate this because I want to put in address. Have this as contact. So we put our website. Alright, so we are good to go. So I'll just come here and make everything to come to your left hand side. Then I drag it down. Alright, so we are good to go now. I'm going to bring this logo to the middle. Remember I said that we are going to be using the logo. Now come to transparency. Transparency, I'm going to reduce it. Alright. So here is our letter paper. Alright, so I'm going to reduce this one. So bring this one out a little. Right, so this is how easy it is for you to design your letterheaded paper. All right, so you cannot put your this you can print this one out, then put your write up at the middle of the paper. So you can see Canva can design anything that you want to do. All right, so this is how you design your letterheaded paper. So I'll see you in my next class.